Yeah. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever it is for you today. Let me bring you up to speed. With my injury, I can barely do any hard work. I am under my truck. I am trying to do my fuel pump. I've been working on this for a little bit now because I got to take breaks. And normally when I take my breaks is when the pain is too harsh to deal with. So normally when I take a break, it's a few days. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to drill this out because the bolt in here is like that long. The nut on it is like that far from the frame. So this is just spinning. The other one on the back is flush. I'm hoping I don't have the same problem I do here. Clearly I'm going to have to replace a bolt. So I'm hoping I can take that bolt out and get 2 new ones. This is some hard work laying under a truck that is, pretty tight. I know some people probably don't have a problem doing it this way, but when you have injuries, it pulls a toll on your body doing it this way. I am tired. I am struggling to do this. Here's the first drill bit I was using. I think it says a 7/8 here. And this is a 532, I think. Not 100%. I can't. It's in there. I'm not about to undo it. It's a lot smaller than this one. So yeah, I've been just keeping this stuff under here. I just wish I had a lift kit on here. Probably make the job a lot easier. Or having a hoist. Because that ain't proper. That's not even, I don't think that's proper for this size of an SUV. They got to be more heavy duty. That's for cars kind of thing. Because I don't know how many pounds you can put on these. But my truck is pretty heavy, so I don't think those are capable of doing it. I need heavy duty ones. Something maybe I can, there's a wasp. Dead one. Yes, I killed a whole bunch of wasps in our house. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. And I'm just having a struggle right now because I got to be up here. I got to hold it with do that. And I got to push. So me pushing up on there with my left, I feel it through my left side. Big time. So here, I'm going to show you. I'm going to just do this. Now I'm trying to go slow so I don't get no debris in my eyes. No metal flakes because that will be, that'd be a hospital hospital visit. I know a couple people have already had this in their eye, metal shavings in their eye. They might have got something in my eye. They spun it pretty good, I think. I'm just going to keep going just a little more here. So what I'm trying to do is pop this bolt out. Like I'm just trying to pop it right through the middle, I'm hoping. Because I have never done this type of stuff before. But I guess I can learn. And I'm learning. It's just taking some time with this injury. Oh, man. I am tired of the pain. Yes, stretches may help, but I don't think it's going to help on this. I do a lot of stuff. I do a lot of hiking, well, when I can. But I move this arm around quite a bit. I do a lot of stuff with this arm. The pain is every day. It doesn't go away. It's with me 24/7. And I hate it. I hate it. All right. I'm just going to get back to this. I'm going to try punching that a bit with the punch. And if that doesn't pop it out, because all I'm trying to do is get around this bolt area where I can just right through the thing. Or that worked out nicely. Woo! Woo! Look at, see, that's the bolt right there. Some bitch. Well, got the one. Finally. There we go. Now I got to get onto the back and try to hopefully see if I can use a socket on it. So now I got to get a jack, the 2x piece I had, or 2x6 I had, chunk of it, and put it up to the front, up to the gas tank. Take that strap off. Once that strap comes off, I can lower this down. And I just got to start taking stuff off so I can drop this tank right down onto the ground with nothing hooked up to it. Because I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a good cleaning on the outside. Not the inside, the outside only. Because clearly I got a lot of debris up in here. Maybe not, but I know I got debris all up in this frame rail. I can feel sand. You can see it dropping down. So I got to get that all cleaned out, because I don't want nothing up in there when I put a new bolt in there. So yeah, friggin' right for that. It's about time. A little bit of drilling and some punch. Look how big. Look how big. So me, with these two jumping out at me, this one being a bigger one and that back one being a shorter one, I'm hoping that they done the fuel pump before and I won't have to switch the wires. I just wham bam, thank you ma'am, plop it in, put it back in, bolt it up, wham bam, here I go, back on the road again. But it's a struggle for me. It's a struggle. All right, you all have a great day. So I'm going to take a little break before I do that one. And I'm not probably going to do a video when I'm doing it, because I want to get it done. When I get this tank dropped down, maybe onto the ground, I'll bring you guys all back out to show you what I'm doing. And maybe you can learn a bit. See, maybe I'm thinking, since all this paint is peeling off, maybe I could give it a sand and put some different type of paint on there. You know, something that can handle it. Because clearly this is all peeling off. All right, I'm going to quit this because I'm just flopping on, just dicking around here instead of doing what I have to do. All right. It's about time I got that. Working hard to get it.